Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable Container Tab on Firefox browser. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, when you enable Container Tabs, this will help you enhance privacy with each and every tab or container being independent with the other and therefore boosting your privacy. This is one unique feature that is only found in Firefox browser that is currently. Alright, to do this, first go to your Firefox browser and you want to type in the search bar about and then :, then config like this and hit enter, and you'll be taken to this page where you are cautioned about this process. Just accept and risk to continue, and you'll be taken to this search preference here. Here you want to search for privacy.user like that is the search word, and look for this option privacy.user context UI enabled. You want to change this from false to true, and you can only enable this by toggling this. If you toggle it, now you can see it has been turned to true. All right, now that that is done, you can open a new tab and go to this menu here and then look for settings. Now enter this, scroll down and you'll see tabs. Under tabs, scroll down and you can see containers. Here you are asked to enable container tabs. You can see this function now is available. Just proceed and check this box. So under settings here, you can see containers that are available. They are grouped into personal, work, banking, shopping, and many more. You can as well add your own. So to open any of these containers, you can just right click here and you can see now you can choose any of these containers to begin your browsing journey, and this will be independent from the other. So that's how you can enable container tabs on Mozilla Firefox browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.